Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the TapTap Live app. So let's get started. So here I will just go to the search bar and I will directly search for the TapTap Live app. So from here you will just open this app. Then here you will just click with continue with Google. So you can use your any ID that you have. Okay. So then here you can just to continue. Just select your do life like here just to continue your gender. So from here let you know, so from here you can just go a casual explorer and right here from here you can directly search for the game and you can use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.